When most people think of LinkedIn, they think of one thing: job hunting. But here's what a lot of people completely miss. LinkedIn is one of the best platforms to make money online if you use it properly. And that's not by spamming posts, not by pretending to be a guru, and definitely not treating it like Instagram. In this video, I'll show you the real way people make money on LinkedIn and why most people never see results. And before we get into it, let's just clear a couple of things up. LinkedIn is not a place where you go viral overnight, and it's not somewhere you can just drop links and make sales. On LinkedIn, you have to build up trust. And when you understand that, everything changes. So why is LinkedIn so powerful? Well, LinkedIn is full of people who have jobs, run businesses, make decisions, and have money to spend. So unlike other platforms, people on LinkedIn are looking for solutions, services, tools, or expertise. And that's what makes it so powerful, because you're not trying to convince people to spend money, you're showing up where people already expect to spend money. But how do people actually make money on LinkedIn? And here's the part that a lot of people probably don't understand, and that's because people don't just make money on LinkedIn by posting random content. They make money by providing value in a specific area. LinkedIn isn't like TikTok or YouTube where you're chasing views. It's much more about who sees your content, not how many people see it. And this is why you don't need millions of followers, viral posts, or super fancy editing. What you do need, however, is the right audience, a very clear skill or niche, and consistent value. If you're looking at common ways that people earn and make money, it would be things like freelancing, so writing, design, editing, or consulting, lead generation, so finding clients for people, selling services or promoting digital products, or building enough authority with your content that it literally gives you inbound clients. So a lot of people don't even sell directly. They just post incredibly useful content in a very specific niche and let people come to them. Once people are following what you do, they tend to have more trust. And that's the difference. LinkedIn isn't about chasing customers, it's about attracting them. Because people aren't making money from LinkedIn itself, they're making money from relationships and trust, and opportunities that come by just from being visible. So think of LinkedIn less like a platform and more like a place where your reputation works for you. So what's the actual secret to making this all work? Well, rather than treating LinkedIn how most people do, like a CV or a social media feed, the people making lots of money see it as a portfolio and a trust engine. So instead of posting something like, I'm looking for opportunities, you want to post insights, lessons, experiences, and useful advice that applies to your niche. And just a tip, the best LinkedIn content is very simple and clear. You want to be as honest and as useful as possible. So try not to use too much fluff. Just keep it straight to the point that you know it will connect with your audience, as you're not trying to go viral, you're just trying to hit the right people. Because every one post reaching the right person can be worth more than 10,000 views on TikTok. Also, as you're posting, try to engage with people as they comment on your posts. So if there is always somebody that is always commenting on your posts, make sure you get back to them. Another good way of going about this is finding particular groups on LinkedIn that are looking for the services you offer. For example, if you sell marketing services, there are tons of marketing groups online on LinkedIn. And while some of these can be quite saturated, they are super easy to join and you can just repost content there that you've already posted on your main profile. And remember, none of this is instant, but it does give you access to high quality opportunities if you stick with it. Just remember, it's a little different to every other social media platform. LinkedIn rewards trust, not attention. If you consistently show value in one area, opportunities will come to you. But let me know your thoughts on LinkedIn and other social media platforms to making money, and leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.